Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to my channel. As it is customary, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please do not forget to press the like button, and if you do not like it, please do not forget to press the dislike button. And do not forget to turn on notifications. Let's move on to the video. The entertainment industry is once again buzzing with a shocking development. Yağmur Yüksel's new series, Kızgın Topraklar, is allegedly on the verge of cancellation, and Baris Baktaş is being blamed for it. For months, fans have eagerly awaited Yağmur's return to the screen with this highly anticipated drama, but now, whispers behind the scenes suggest that the production has hit a major roadblock, with insiders pointing to none other than Baris Baktaş as the reason for the chaos. According to sources close to the project, tensions on set have been brewing for weeks, with conflicts between Yağmur and Baris reaching a breaking point. While neither of them has officially commented on the matter, rumors suggest that Baris's actions may have directly affected the series' future, creating an environment so unstable that producers are now considering shutting everything down. There are several theories circulating about Baris's alleged role in the downfall of Kızgın Topraklar. Some sources claim that his behind-the-scenes influence led to major disruptions in the production process, while others insist that his complicated history with Yağmur has made it impossible for the two to work together. One insider claims that Baris intentionally caused delays by interfering with casting decisions, while another source suggests that he pressured production companies to reconsider their investment in the show. Could this be Baris's way of retaliating against Yağmur after their highly publicized falling out? Or is there a deeper power play happening behind the scenes? While Yağmur has remained silent on the rumors, sources close to her reveal that she is devastated by the potential cancellation of Kızgın Topraklar. This project was meant to be her big comeback, a chance to reclaim her status in the industry after months of personal turmoil. Now, with the possibility of losing this opportunity, she is reportedly furious and deeply frustrated, especially if Baris truly played a role in its downfall. Some insiders even claim that Yağmur is privately considering taking legal action if it turns out that Baris was actively working against the production. With so much uncertainty surrounding the show's future, fans are now left wondering, will Kızgın Topraklar ever make it to the screen? While some production members are pushing to continue, others believe that the damage may be too great to recover from, especially if the drama between Yağmur and Baris continues to overshadow the actual project. One thing is clear, if the show is truly cancelled, it will go down as one of the most shocking behind-the-scenes scandals in recent memory. The ongoing tension between Baris Baktaş and Yağmur Yüksel has taken a darker turn, with new claims emerging that Baris is actively working against Yağmur, hoping to see her fail. Once caught in a whirlwind romance, the two are now locked in a silent but brutal battle, one that seems to be affecting both their personal lives and careers. Sources close to the industry claim that Baris has not taken Yağmur's success well following their falling out. While she has been working hard to establish herself independently, whispers suggest that Baris has been using his influence to make sure she doesn't rise too far. Allegedly, he has been speaking to key figures behind closed doors, casting doubt on Yağmur's professionalism and even discouraging certain producers from working with her. The biggest blow came when Kızgın Topraklar, the highly anticipated series starring Yağmur, suddenly faced uncertainty. Some insiders believe this is no coincidence and that Baris's behind-the-scenes actions have directly contributed to the show's troubles. While it remains unclear how much power he truly holds over the production, many suspect that his presence alone has created an atmosphere of uncertainty, making investors and executives hesitant to move forward. Yağmur, on the other hand, is said to be deeply aware of the obstacles being placed in her way. Though she has remained silent in public, those close to her claim that she is furious about Baris's interference and determined to prove that she can succeed despite his attempts to block her path. She refuses to back down, no matter how much he tries to sabotage her. The real question now is, how far will Baris go to ensure Yağmur doesn't get ahead of him? Will he continue to work behind the scenes to make sure she fails, or will she find a way to rise above the obstacles and reclaim her career on her own terms? The battle between them is far from over, and the next move could change everything. If there are any celebrities you would like to know about and follow current developments, please indicate in the comments. Thank you for listening to me so far, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Goodbye.